Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's podcast. My name is Adam.
And my name is Sarah.
In today's podcast, we will talk about a very important topic. We will learn about a great man who changed the world. His name is Thomas Edison.
Yes, he was an inventor. He worked very hard and he never gave up. We will also learn some new words today. These words will help you improve your English.
Thomas Edison was born in 1847 in the United States. When he was a child, he asked many questions. He wanted to know how things worked.
But in school, his teachers thought he was not smart. They said he could not learn well.
His mother did not believe them. She taught him at home. She helped him learn science and reading.
Edison loved to read books. He also liked to do experiments. When he was 12 years old, he got a job. He worked on a train and sold newspapers.
Yes, and he made a small science lab on the train. He did experiments there, but one day there was a fire and he had to stop.
Edison had another problem. When he was a teenager, he started to lose his hearing. He could not hear well.
But he did not stop working. He became an inventor. He made many things, like the phonograph. The phonograph was a machine that could record and play sound.
Edison is most famous for the light bulb, but he did not invent the first light bulb. He made it better.
Yes. Before Edison, light bulbs did not last long. They stopped working quickly.
Edison tried many times to make a better light bulb. He failed again and again.
Some people say he failed 1,000 times before he succeeded.
When someone asked him about his failures, he said, "I have not failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that do not work."
That is a great way to think. He believed that failure is part of learning.
Finally, in 1879, Edison made a good light bulb. It worked for many hours.
This changed the world. Before the light bulb, people used candles and oil lamps, but they were not safe.
Edison's light bulb made life easier. He also built power stations. These stations gave electricity to homes and businesses.
Edison invented more than 1,000 things. He helped create the modern world.
Edison's story teaches us something important. If you fail, don't give up.
Yes, learning English is the same. If you make mistakes, don't stop. Keep practicing, and you will get better.
That's true. Edison's story shows that hard work and never giving up can lead to success.
Now, let's talk about some important words from today's episode.
Yes. The first word is inventor. An inventor is a person who creates something new.
That's right. Thomas Edison was an inventor because he created many things. Here's an example. Thomas Edison was a great inventor.
The next word is experiment. An experiment is a test to learn something new.
Yes. Scientists do experiments to see if their ideas work. Here's an example. Edison did many experiments to improve the light bulb.
Now let's talk about the word curious. Curious means wanting to know and learn more.
That's a good word. Curious people ask many questions. Children are usually very curious. Here's an example. As a child, Edison was very curious.
Another important word is failure. Failure means when something does not work.
Yes, failure is not the end. It is part of learning. Here's an example. Edison had many failures before success.
The last word is success. Success is when something works well.
That's a great word. If you work hard and never give up, you will have success. Here's an example. After many tries, Edison had success with the light bulb.
These words are very useful. Try to use them in your own sentences.
That's all for today. We hope you enjoyed this episode.
Yes. Keep practicing English and remember, never give up, just like Edison.
See you next time. Bye.
Goodbye.